All right, hello. Welcome to the live stream and welcome Charlie first here. Now, I want to go through the trade that I took earlier, the one I sent to the Telegram channel right here. The this one, I said in this sell position right now, cause all time frame going bearish, and if you take a look here at the um, gold chart right here, we have daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, all time frame going bearish. So there's no reason for anybody in the world to take buys. When we see bearish on all time frame, that indicates the market is strongly going down. Now here's where I took my first position right at the beginning of the Asia session right here, like this. So first position was placed at this level right here, stop loss above the 15-minute high, taking targeting lower lows. All right, now after my first position, I was in drawdown. No, price went against my direction while all time frame going bearish, and for that I took a second position right at this level right here. Second position right at this level right here, and right after that price quickly came back to my first position, and that's when I closed my first position at break even. Let the second position run risk free like this. So when price came back to my first position, this one right here, I closed this one at break even, and I kept the second position, this one, running risk free after shifting stop loss to break even right after 20 pips profit. And this is how I was be able to bang 76 pips, the first win of this week, continuing the win streak that I had last week right here. Last week I had 9 wins in a row, and all was mentioned in the Telegram channel. Now this week we started off with the 76 pips on gold and looking to continue the winning streak with you guys. Now the only reason why I'm not sending a signal, because I don't know what risk manage do you use. I'm not sure how you manage to risk your position, so I'm not here to send you a signal. I'm here to show you and teach you how to do the analysis, or how to read the analysis and take positions on your own. Read the analysis, follow the confirmations, and based on that you can take the position. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do analysis for gold and GJ and send it to you guys here. Let me turn this down a little bit, music a bit loud. One second. There we go. Okay, so look, this is what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm going to do the analysis for gold and for GJ and send it to this Telegram channel. Read the analysis, okay? Read it, make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Okay, all right, taking a look at the gold chart right here, starting with the daily time frame with the top down analysis, and we are still looking bearish as I mentioned here. Daily still bearish. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame we are still looking bearish. All right, price tapped into the 4-hour OB, respected it, pushed down, came back up, retested the OB again, respected it, created an internal BOS to the downside, and for that we are bearish on the 4-hour right here, still bearish. Let's take a look at the 1-hour. All right, 1 hour, it's looking bearish because again price broke below the swing low on the 1 hour right here, creating a BOS to the downside, and for that we are still bearish on the 1 hour. All right, 15 minute, are we still bearish? Yes, of course we are very bearish on the 15 minutes, and for that, so obviously we're still looking bearish on all time frames, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, and 5 minute, looking bearish. And for that, I'll be looking to take some nice sells. Okay. Oh wow. This is Spotify ads, man. I don't know. So I'll be looking to take sells. I will be looking to take sells on the gold. Okay. And why is that? Because we are bearish on all our time frame. All right. Okay. So if I want to go ahead and look for sells, I need to see price retest this OB right here. This order block that price just created on the 15-minute time frame. Along with this fair value gap that price created on the 1 hour time frame. And for that, I'll be more interested to take this fair value gap as a point of interest instead of the 15-minute OB. And it's very simple because this is a 15-minute OB and this is a 1 hour fair value gap. So the higher time frame, the stronger the point of interest it is. So I'll be looking at this fair value gap, and the only way to be able to take some buys if I see price break above this fair value gap with a body candle close. Retest, look for engulfing candle to the upside to capitalize on some buys. And that's the only way for me to take buys here, because when price break above this level right here, this is going to be the 1 hour change of character to the upside right here, because this is the 1 hour swing high. Just take this line up. Okay, so this is going to be the 1 hour change of character to the upside. Only if price break above with the body candle close, we are going to turn bullish on the 1 hour, we're going to turn bullish on the 5 minute, and we're going to turn bullish on the 15 minute. And now this is the only way for me to look for buys. But like I mentioned, I'm here today looking for sells because we are bearish on all these time frames. So to be able to look for some sells, I'd be interested on taking sells of this fair value gap right here. If I see price retest this fair value gap and then create 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character, retest that change of character to look for some sells like this. Change of character. All right. So I do go towards sells more because we are bearish, and I love, everybody love to follow the trend, and the trend is very bearish on gold right now. But I'm not gonna take any sells of this area right here before I see a retracement to the fair value gap. And after price tap into this fair value gap, I need to see another confirmation by creating 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character, and then the third confirmation is a retest of that change of character, and then I'll be confidently taking sells of the change of character. However, if price decide to tap into this fair value gap and continue to the upside without creating any change of character to the downside, break above with a body candle close, creating a change of character on the 1 hour and on the 15 and on the 5 minute by breaking above this swing high on the 1 hour, then I'll be looking for a retest. Third confirmation will be a bullish engulfing candle to be able to take buys of that. All right, now this is what I'll be looking for gold, and of course I'll be looking to smash gold again this week and continue the winning streak that I had last week. And last week I had 9 wins straight. This week I already won this trade with you guys right at the beginning of the Asia session. So as of right now, I am at 10 wins in the row, looking to make them 11 with you guys, okay? Let me go ahead and craft the analysis for gold and send it to you right here, all right? Let me take a screenshot of this, put some music while we do that. Let's take a screenshot of this. All right. Now I'll be crafting the gold analysis for you. Alright, buy and sell scenario for gold. Let's go for the buy scenario first. I need to see first price break above the 2682.73. Two 682.73 with body candle close. Second, retest the failed fair value gap. 3, create bullish engulfing candle to look for buys. Sell scenario. First, I need to see price retest the fair value gap at 2675.31. 2, create 5 or 15 minute bearish change of character. 3, retest the bearish change of character, because this is rule number 1, everybody. No retest, no entry. So it's very important for me to see a retest before I enter the position. All right, and this is the XAU USD 1 hour time frame. There you go. This is the analysis for gold that I'll be personally looking at before I take my next position. All right, there you go. Here's the analysis that I'll be looking at before I take my next position. This is my own personal analysis, and this is gonna be my own personal trade that I'll be taking with you guys. Okay, the thing here is I won't be sending you a signal. I want you to read this analysis, follow the confirmations for buys or for sells. If you see all these criteria is met, go ahead and press the button. Okay, if you don't understand anything about this analysis, go ahead and ask me, and while you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and craft out the analysis for GJ. Okay, this is what I'll be looking at for gold. Now let's do GJ. Let's take a look at GJ right here, and on GJ we are looking bearish on all time frame as of right now. Let's go ahead and take a look. GJ, let's take a look at the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we are looking swing high, swing low, and we are looking still bearish on the daily time frame like I mentioned here. 4 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour we are looking bearish. I'm sorry, we are looking bullish. Price just created this change of character to the upside. This is the market shift that I talked about with you guys in my last stream. Price on the 4 hour was very bearish until this high was broken right here, because this was the swing high and this was the swing low. This is the last swing high price created on the 4 hour time frame, and this was the last swing low price created. And just because price broke above the swing high with a body candle close, this is a strong change of character to the upside. So now we are looking bullish on the 1 hour time. On the 4 hour, we are looking bullish. All right. So we are bearish on the daily and we are bullish on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is looking very bullish too, by breaking again above this swing high right here, creating change of character to the upside. So the 1 hour is no longer bearish and now it's bullish. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame, very bullish, and the 5 is for sure going to be bullish too. All right, let's take a look at the 5-minute bullish. So what we have here, what do we have here? We have daily bearish, fair enough, but we have 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 15-minute bullish, and the 5-minute bullish. And if you take a look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour, this is where the change of character happened. For me personally, I'll be taking this fair value gap here as a strong point of interest here. I won't be taking any decision before I see price retest that level, and then we'll go from there. After price retest, if I see a bullish change of character on the 5 or the 15-minute time frame, then all I need to see is a retest of that change of character to take some buys. For sells, I need to see price disrespect this fair value gap and tap into this fair value gap on the 1 hour, 4 hour, okay. and I'll be looking at the same idea from there. If I see a change of character of this level, I'll be taking buys. If price break below the swing low that was created on the 1 hour right here, then that's the only way for me to be looking for sells, because that's the only way for the 1 hour to switch bearish, from bullish to bearish. All right, but just because we are bullish on the 4 hour and the 1 hour and the 15 minute and the 5 minute, I'll be looking for buys. So now this is what I need to see. I need to see price come back, retest the change of character and the fair value gap, create 5 or 15 minute change of character to the upside, retest that change of character along with the 1 hour change of character. I'll be confidently taking buys towards the upside. Oh my god, with these ads I never anyway. For sells, if price decide to go all the way down, break below the swing low right here, okay, then we are gonna switch bearish on the 1 hour, on the 15 and on the 5 minute. And for that, I'll be looking for a price break below with the body candle close, retest the failed bullish OB, and create 5 or 15 minute bearish engulfing candle to look for some sells. Now I do want to make it a little bit simpler for you guys right here, okay? Now this is a little bit more advanced. If you don't want to take the fair value gaps as a point of interest, fair enough. This is your point of interest right here. The the sell to buy that was created on the 1 hour. This OB. This is the sell to buy that created fair value gaps along the way and created the change of character towards the upside. So this is a very, very strong point of interest right here. To look for some sells, I need to see price disrespect this area with a body candle close, retest, create engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle to take some sells. Now to look for some buys, I need price to retest this 15-minute bullish OB, create 5 or 15-minute change of character to the upside, retest that change of character to look for some buys. This is my analysis for GJ. Go ahead and craft the analysis for you and send it to the Telegram channel so you can go ahead and read it, and perhaps if the 3 criteria is met for buys or sell, then we will be taking the decision together. All right. Now I am on a happy winning streak because this winning streak happened in 1 week. So for me, this never happened before. I never reached 9 winning trades in 1 week, and this was last week. And this week I am already on a 76 pips win with gold, making 10 trades winning in a row, including last week and this week. So I'm looking to do another 10 winning trades this week and hopefully go 20. All right, let me go ahead and take a screenshot to this analysis and send it to you guys. Now I really hope that you read the analysis, because when you read the analysis and understand the fundamental and the concepts that I'm looking at, is gonna make sense to you. And when stuff makes sense to you, you're just gonna be taking the trades confidently, with a proper risk management, of course. Now I highly recommend you risk between 1 and 5% of your account on each trade you take. And this is the proper risk management that I use myself. And that's the only way to go emotionless in this game, to take trades confidently, and to be more profitable in the long term. With that being said, let me go ahead and send you the GJ analysis right here. GBP JPY. And we are looking at the 1 hour time frame. Yep. I honestly might use this point of interest right here on the 15-minute time frame as well. But hear me out. This is gonna be a little bit riskier. Why? Because if I decide to take buys of this point of interest right here, there's a fair value gap sitting below, right below that OB right here. There's fair value gap sitting below, and there's a 1 hour bullish OB. Now I could use this point of interest right here with the same idea, fine, but it will be riskier. And of course, I will update you guys as usual. As of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and send the 1 hour analysis. All right, so what we're looking at: GJ 1 hour time frame. GJ 1 hour time frame buys. First, I need to see price retest the 15-minute bullish OB. I'm sorry, the 1 hour bullish OB at 197.262. For buys, first I need to see price retest the bullish 1 hour OB at 197.262. Second, I need to see, after the retest, I need to see price create 5 or 15-minute bullish change of character. Create 5 or 15-minute bullish change of character. The third criteria that I need to see is a price retest that change of character. Retest the bullish. Retest the bullish change of character to look for buys. Wow. Very simple. All right. So for buys, one, I need to see retest the 1 hour bullish change, bullish OB at 197.262. Two, second criteria, I need to see price create 5 or 15-minute bullish change of character. The third criteria that I need to see a retest of that bullish change of character to look for some buys. Sells, I need to see price break below that OB, disrespecting the whole thing. This one right here. Price break below the bullish OB with a body candle close, disrespecting that bullish OB. Break below the bullish OB at 196.991. with body candle close. 2, retest the failed OB. 3, create 5 or 15-minute bearish engulfing candle. Here's the analysis for GJ sent to you guys right here. All right. Go ahead, read the analysis. Make sure you know how to read the analysis, because that's the key right there. These are the 3 confirmations that you guys and me, myself, need to see before I take any position. 3 confirmations. And these are the confirmations that got me 86% win rate year to date. 86% win rate. Following proper risk management and taking A+ setups only. Last week, I'm on winning streak for 9 trades. Didn't lose a single trade. This week, already won my first trade here right at the opening of the Asia session. This one right here, 76 pips. Following the analysis and the confirmations that I'm looking for. And they're pretty simple. Alright? There are 3 confirmations. Go ahead and read it. Have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer your question, and I'll be more happy to teach you and show you how to take trades like the ones I take. And if you haven't joined this Telegram channel, please go ahead and click on the link that I pinned in the chat. Alright, I'm getting ready to head out here soon. In the meantime, I want to go ahead and make sure everything is right for you guys. Wow, so we are bearish totally on gold, and we are totally bullish on GJ. Right? I see some nice volume during this Asia session right here. And by the way, Bitcoin went crazy, guys. I'm not sure if anyone here do crypto, but Bitcoin, man. And this was my level right here. This is the level I marked to be able to take buys right at the retest, but price missed it by a hair. Oh my god, you see that? Price missed my level by a tiny hair, and for that I didn't enter any buys. Alright, that'll be all for me today. Let's see what price action gonna do later here for gold and GJ, and as of usual, I'll be updating you guys whether I took a position or I'm in the position or during the position. I always update you guys when I shift my stop loss to break even, when I take partials and all that. So keep an eye, pay close attention, and let's keep winning trades. Alright, I'll see you guys into the next stream. Hasta luego.